Rhino's back again. Back again. Gonna knock these 250 rooms, I believe, out this month. We're gonna hit about 20 of them today, and we're gonna clean the rest throughout the month. All right, so we got a great routine. We've done this for the last 2 years already. This is our third year. We use the Vibe. I go ahead and I pre-spray and I spot everything ahead of her, and she follows me with the Vibe. We find that the microfiber pads work really good on this particular type carpet, and so that's what we're doing. So I did boost the pre-spray with a little deodorizer, Jodercide. It goes a long ways. I mean, literally a half ounce for like 4 gallons is perfect. So pretty easy. We have to go through here and remove a red stain here and there. Other than that, just a little bit of spotting here and there, and we get to cranking these out. We do about 20 of these in a couple hours. So yeah. Well, I guess I better get started. So what I do is I go around with my organic stain remover for spills and stuff like that. Anything dark, I pretty much just hit it with the peroxide. This is a peroxide product. I use diluted Go Oxy, but any organic stain remover like this one right here is ready to use. All right, so every now and then we run across a red stain. So this is Namco steamer. We use this because it really heats up. Within 30 seconds, starts steaming. And we use red 1 for our red stain removal. And the stain is right in this area, right here. It's kind of hard to see, but yeah, wet white rag and steam it out. And get to moving.
Hey guys, you're gonna want to stick around because I got some real important tips for you on this VLM process, all right? So don't go nowhere.
So guys are new to VLM. I know nowadays less tribalism is going on between hot water extraction and VLM, when it used to be pretty bad just a few years ago even. But not me. I've been doing VLM and hot water extraction from the beginning. But there are benefits and there's situations for hot water VLM and hot water extraction. And there's also little things you can do to make the process even better. So what I've learned through the years is, you pre-spray, and I always soak my bonnet and wring it out real good, and then clean with it. And I find I get a better clean with it. Yeah, it may take just a little bit longer to dry, but you're gonna get a better clean. And also, if you're new to VLM, you want to make sure you're using an encapsulation type of formula. You don't want to use the same cleaning solution that you're using for your hot water extraction. Although a lot of cleaning solutions can be used for both, hot water extraction or VLM, like the products that I use. So this one is a little dirtier. Certain rooms get a little bit more messier, and a different shade of carpet, I guess, kind of shows more also. But this is probably would be considered the suite because it actually has an extra room to it. So when you get a suite, you're probably having a good time. It's a lot of spills.
Okay, let's go.
All right, guys, that's a wrap. Got everything in here, ready to go. And we'll see you in the next one.